Okay, naming of compounds. Yeah, before this topic, we have seen how can you write the formula of compounds. So after writing the formula of compounds, also how can you give the name of that compound that we have written before using different types or different techniques. And to write the name of the compounds, the first thing is that the first one we have to write the name of metals, write the name of metals first, and then write the name of non-metals second. The second step is change the last name of non-metals into IDE. Change the suffix of non-metals into IDE. And the third one is write the correct name of the compounds. So using this step, we can write the name of different compounds. But here, there is one thing. This step is used for binary compounds. When the compound is polyatomic compounds, that means if an element that have variable valency, their variable valency must be written in a Roman number within parentheses. So using these steps, we can write the name of any compounds. Let me show you examples. Example: write the name of gas, Al2O3. What is the name of this compound? The first one is write the name of metals. That means Al means aluminium, and the second one is oxygen. This is oxygen, aluminum, oxygen. This is not the correct name for these compounds. Then the second step says that change the suffix into IDE. The suffix of what? Non-metals. Aluminum, oxygen says aluminum oxide. Change the suffix into IDE. Aluminum oxide. So there is no anything which is complete. So the third step is unnecessary because on the second step we get the correct name of the compound. So using this method you can write. Another example is example 1. Example 2. Magnesium sulfate, SO4. Magnesium sulfate. This is polyatomic ions. This is metal. So write the name of metals first: magnesium, and then sulfate. Yeah, actually, the name magnesium is metal and sulfate is polyatomic ions and radicals. So directly, the name of magnesium sulfate is the same as that of magnesium sulfate because there is no any change on the suffix of these polyatomic ions. So as it is, this is the name of the compound. The other one, example 3. Aluminum oxide, aluminum nitrate, or aluminum chloride. This is the formula of aluminum chloride. And then to write the name of this compound, the first one is write the name of metals: aluminium, and chlorine. This is the second one is change the last name of the suffix of chlorine into IDE. Write aluminum again, aluminium chloride, IDE. This is the correct name of this compound. Let me give you another. The fourth one, iron oxide, Fe2O3. Look this compounds. Iron oxide. In this compound, there is an element which have variable valency. Iron is the element that have variable valency. Its valency is +1 and +2. So to write the name of this compound, the first one is iron, right? Iron here, and then there is oxygen. Then use their balance. Iron have variable balance. The balance of iron from the compound is 3 because this substitute number means a number which comes from iron, the balance of iron, and this 2 is the balance of what? The balance of oxygen. So iron 3, we have to use parenthesis and write the balance using parenthesis. And there is also what? Oxygen. Oxygen. The last thing is that write the word iron with its balance in the number with the parenthesis and change the last name of oxygen to oxide. IPE. This is the correct formula of the compound iron oxide. So to write the elements, the name of the compounds which have variable balances, just you have to use their balance in brackets. Okay. Let me show you the last examples. The fifth example, that means iron oxide, iron oxide, FeO, iron oxide. To write the name of this iron oxide, the first thing is that iron oxide Fe and Fe2O are different. Okay, so when iron becomes FeO, this is iron oxide. That means the balance of iron and oxygen becomes 2, and their balance becomes cancelled with each other, and it becomes FeO. That means write the name of iron first, iron, and there is oxygen here. And the next one, iron. Why the balance of this one and this one becomes cancel each other? Because they have the same balance number of balancing, and then the balance of iron in this compound becomes 2. So there is oxygen here also. The third step is write iron 2 and change the last name of the oxygen to IPE, iron oxide. This is the correct name of the compound. So how can we know the elements can have variable balancing means? For example, here, if there is no any substitute number in the compound, that means the balance becomes equal and cancel each other. So we must know the balance of one element, either the balance of metals or the balance of non-metals. So let's see. This is the reason that when the compound becomes Fe2O3 means this takes as the balance of iron and this 2 takes as the balance of oxygen. So this is the reason how can we know simply the balance of the elements based on their formulas and based on their subscript number. This is the reason how can we differentiate the balance of metals and non-metals from their formula, and using their formulas we can know the balance of metals and non-metals. Try to use this one consciously. Thank you.